All right, today we're going to go undercover. We're on a mission to expose a hidden factory, one that's secretly operating inside your very own business, draining time and money without ever making a single thing. Let's get right into it. So, think about this for a second. In any busy workplace, you see all the signs of productivity, right? Machines are humming, people are working hard, parts are moving from A to B. On the surface, it all looks good. But if you're constantly fighting fires, if deadlines always seem to be a struggle and costs are creeping up, there's a really good chance that something invisible is working against you. And this really gets to the heart of the problem. So often, our first instinct is to try and fix one little piece of the puzzle. For example, we'll say, let's just speed up this one machine. But that's kind of like trying to fix a massive traffic jam by telling one car to drive faster. It just doesn't work, right? Because you're totally missing the big picture, the entire system. So, to crack this case, we've got to identify the bad guy. In the world of lean, this culprit has a name: waste. And waste is basically anything and everything that adds cost and time, but does absolutely nothing of value for the person who's actually buying your product. Okay, so here they are, the 8 usual suspects. Things like defects, waiting excess inventory, you get the idea. But here's the catch. Just spotting one of these here or there isn't going to cut it. It's like finding a single footprint at a crime scene. We need a way to see how all the pieces fit together. We need to connect the dots. So the big question is, how do we actually see all this invisible stuff? Well, we need a special tool. And I love this analogy. Think of it like a detective's flashlight. Something that lets you cut through the darkness and see what's really going on in all those hidden corners. And that tool? It's called value stream mapping. Now, a value stream map, or VSM for short, is way more than just another flowchart. It's a complete picture of everything, and I mean everything, that happens to get a product from the very beginning, like raw materials, all the way to your customer's doorstep. We're talking the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, and this is where it gets really powerful. Look at the difference here. A simple process chart? Yeah, it shows you the basic steps. But a VSM? Oh, a VSM shows you the reality. It shines that flashlight on all the things a normal chart hides. All that time things are just sitting around waiting, it shows that. Those huge piles of inventory collecting dust between steps? Bam, it's right there. It even shows you how information is moving, or more often, how it's not moving. It's not just tracking steps, it's tracking value. All right, so this whole investigation process, it really breaks down into 2 main parts. First, you've got to map out the crime scene. What's happening right now, today? Then, once you know that, you can create a solid plan for a better tomorrow. And this is where the rubber meets the road. Step 1 is creating what's called the current state map. And listen, this is not something you can do sitting behind a desk in an office. Nope, you have to go to the Gemba, which just means you go to where the work actually happens. You got to get out there on the shop floor with a stopwatch and a notepad, observing, timing, counting. We're talking about collecting cold, hard facts, not what you think is happening. And here's a taste of the kind of evidence you're collecting. Things like cycle time, how long to make just one thing at one step, changeover time, uptime, batch sizes, and a big one, inventory. How much stuff is just sitting there, waiting? All these numbers, they come together to paint this crystal clear and honestly, often shocking picture of what's really going on. So once you've got that current state map, the problems basically jump off the page at you. They become impossible to ignore. And that's when you can start designing the future state map. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. It's your actual practical game plan for getting rid of all that waste and making things flow so much better. Okay, so what do you actually find when you do this? I'm telling you, the reveal is almost always jaw-dropping. It feels like you've just uncovered this massive heist that's been going on right under your nose for years. And the thing being stolen? It's your most precious resource, time. Let me give you a quick, super common example. Let's say you have a product, and it goes through 5 simple steps. Each step takes just 2 minutes. Okay, simple math, right? That's 10 minutes of actual hands-on work. 10 minutes where someone is adding value. So here's the million-dollar question. Why in the world does it take 5 full days for that product to get out the door? And boom, this chart says it all. Look at that. That tiny little sliver on the left? That's your 10 minutes of real work. The giant, massive bar on the right? That's your total lead time. The entire time from when the order came in to when it shipped. And that massive, enormous gap in between? That's the hidden factory. That's pure waste. It's your product just sitting there and waiting for days. Seriously, once you see your process laid out like this, you can never unsee it. It's a total game changer. Value stream mapping just fundamentally shifts the way you look at absolutely everything. And this quote right here just nails it. You stop thinking about tiny, isolated improvements. You stop asking, how can I make this one little part faster? Instead, you start asking the real question, how do I get value to flow smoothly from the beginning to the end without stopping? You start working on the whole system, not just fiddling with the pieces. So if you're thinking, okay, I want to try this, here's how you can get started. 3 simple keys. First, don't try to boil the ocean. Just pick one product family to focus on. Second, and this is crucial, get out there on the floor and gather real, honest-to-goodness data. And third, when you design that future state, make continuous flow your #1 goal. And really, that's what this is all about. The magic isn't just the finished map you hang on the wall. The real power is in the process of making it, of finally seeing your own work with fresh eyes. So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. What hidden factory, what great time heist is happening inside your value stream right now? And more importantly, what are you going to do about it once you find it?